After about 8 months of Android betas, Android 12 officially rolled out on October 4th, which is undoubtedly the biggest refresh to Google's operating system in years. It has completely changed some of the visual elements to make it look, feel and react differently to your on-screen gestures and button presses. Here's everything you need to know about the new OS. The big story this year is the massive redesign for Android 12. The new design material, U, blends multiple elements together into a single cohesive design language that works across the entire OS. Color extraction is the base code of Paint in the new redesign. Basically, the OS natively extracts the colors from your wallpaper and uses them to theme your OS. Basically, you set a wallpaper, Android 12 extracts the colors, and then your OS has hints of colors from it. The color changes take place all over the OS, including the settings, quick setting tiles, and any app with Material U support. On Pixel devices, examples include the Dialer, Contact app, and Calculator. It even works with widgets as well. Android 12 puts a much larger emphasis on widgets than many previous versions of Android. Widgets have been completely redesigned to offer a more adjustable window and one that's designed to fit in with the rest of the rounded, friendly interface for easier scrolling and viewing. The Conversation widget shows recent conversations, and Photos has a Memories widget that can surface memories from Google Photos right on your home screen. This is the biggest emphasis Google has put on widgets since resizable widgets became a thing in Android Honeycomb. The quick settings received a rather large overhaul as well. The smaller toggles are gone, replaced by larger, rounded rectangle buttons. The new tiles work like previous toggles when you tap to turn them on and off. By and large, it is just an aesthetic change. On the plus side, the larger tiles are much easier to read and house more information. One of the major new official changes is the Privacy dashboard. It will give you easy access to see what apps have accessed certain permissions, whether that be your camera and mic or location. What's more, when you first launch an app and it wants access to your location, you can decide to have it only get access to an approximate location rather than precise. Android 12 has also added quick on-off toggles in the quick shade menu that disables the mic, location and camera so that nothing can access them. When the camera or mic is in use, a little green dot will appear at the top right of the screen. If you swipe down, you can see a full icon, and tapping on that will tell you which app is capturing images or sound. One of the more prominent UI changes is the updated Media widget that appears in the drop-down menu when you have music playing. Google has enlarged it, making it span almost the entire width of the screen and adjust the layout so the controls are closer to the middle of the screen. Another quick small tweak to the interface comes in form of the new pop-up shortcut menu that appears when you tap and hold an app icon. The menu is larger with each command separated and taking up more space on the screen, likely to make it easier for people to use. Android 12 includes a native one-handed mode. The mode shrinks everything down to half size. It looks a lot like multi-window mode. The one-handed mode makes it easier to reach basically anything one-handed on taller phones. Google added a new system that makes playing the best Android games more enjoyable. The Android 12 Game Dashboard makes it easier to access tools like Do Not Disturb, screen recording, screenshots, live streaming to YouTube Live, and your current FPS rate using a quick on-screen toggle in-game.